There are several ways to make money, depending on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are some popular methods. 1. Get a job. Look for employment opportunities in your desired field or industry. Update your resume, search job boards, and attend career fairs to increase your chances of finding a job. 2. Freelancing. If you have skills such as writing, graphic design, coding, or marketing, you can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a portfolio and showcase your work to attract clients. 3. Start a business. Identify a product or service that you can provide and start your own business. This can range from online stores to local services. Develop a business plan, secure funding if needed, and market your offerings to attract customers. 4. Invest. Consider investing in stocks, real estate, or other investment vehicles to grow your wealth over time. It's important to research and understand the risks involved before investing. 5. Rent or sell assets. If you have a spare room, you can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb. Alternatively, you can sell unused or unwanted items through online marketplaces such as eBay or Craigslist. 6. Online surveys and microtasks. Some websites offer paid surveys and small tasks that you can complete in exchange for money. While this may not provide a substantial income, it can be a way to earn extra cash. 7. Create and sell digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or templates. Platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can help you distribute and monetize your digital creations. Remember, making money requires effort, persistence, and sometimes a bit of risk-taking. Be resourceful, continuously learn and adapt, and explore opportunities that align with your strengths and interests.